This presentation provides an overview of DIVMO's custom mobile apps specifically designed for chambers of commerce. No matter where we are or what we're doing, we have our smartphones with us. Did you know that 50% of all web searches take place using mobile devices? Also, in the past 24 months, the number of people accessing the internet with smartphones has more than doubled. The trend isn't slowing down. By 2014, 133 million people will be using smartphones in the United States. If a business site takes a long time to load and is difficult to read, visitors will move on to other websites that are mobile friendly. Let's take a look at what a traditional chamber website looks like on a smartphone. Sort of like reading a newspaper through a keyhole. Simply doesn't work very well. Has tiny unreadable text, difficult navigation, and the pages load slowly. Now let's take a look at a mobile friendly website would look like on a smartphone. First of all, it's going to be easy to read. The navigation is going to be touch friendly. The pages are going to load instantly. So for example, here we're looking at a specific event within the chamber site. Now let's take a look at becoming a member. There's multiple pages that can be set up by the chamber. Membership programs. Also member savings. This is where we can store coupons and special offers organized by categories. And then advocacy programs. For example, meet your lobbyists, community and elected officials could be stored in this area. Going further down in the application, we can look at news feeds. So these are automatically fed in based on keywords. Further down the screen, we can have a click to call option, an email us option, and also we can also change the language. For example, let's change the language to Chinese. Over 37 languages to pick from. This example will also change it back to Spanish, and then we can change it back to English. So it supports up to 37 languages like we mentioned earlier. What does this mean for the chamber? DIVMO has announced its Chamber Affiliate Program. The Chamber receives a free, fully functional DIVMO mobile web application. DIVMO includes a free directory listing for every member. Members can upgrade their directory listing to DIVMO Dashboard for a fee, and the Chamber earns 20% recurring commissions from all the revenue that is generated from all the upgrades to DIVMO Dashboard. Let's take a closer look at DIVMO Dashboard and what that is. The members that upgrade, what will they get? Basically, they're going to get the ability to add coupons, special offers, photos, and additional information. They pay between $15 and $25 a month. Now let's take a look here. We're drilling down in the directory. There's multiple categories that are listed. I'm going to go into the advertising category and let's take a look at a standard listing. These are the ones that are free and we just load them from a spreadsheet. At the bottom of the page there's some tabs. One is called Edit Info and it allows the business to upgrade. Basically they can email themselves instructions and upgrade to a DIVMO dashboard listing. Let's look at what a DIVMO dashboard listing looks like. Here's an example of a photography studio. So we can go through different pictures that they've uploaded. There's also an appointment scheduling system. So for example, I can go in here, put in my name, put in my mobile number, and then also type in my email address. And then finally I can select the date and then I can view the available times on that particular date. Okay, and then finally I'm just going to go ahead and select an appointment time for half an hour, and then what it does is it sends an email to my smartphone calendar so that I can have it remind me 15 minutes before the appointment. It does the same thing with the business. Notice over here that the information that I put in earlier is automatically populated, so I don't have to type it in again because it's saved. I'm going to go ahead and send off some coupons to myself as an example, and those coupons can also be sent via text message. And then there's other applications like, for example, a raffle ticket. If I can enter into a raffle that is set up by the business. In this particular case, they're raffling off a Toshiba television. We also have what's called activity codes, which means you can get additional tickets for the drawing by participating in certain activities. Like for example, in a demo, I might get some additional options. Moving right along here, let's look at what the back end looks like for the DIVMO dashboard. So first of all, this is the business directory. Now this This is accessible by both of the client and also by the chamber can access this area. The client can only access their specific dashboard, whereas the chamber can get a list of all the businesses. In this case here, we're going to look up David Chilcott Photography, the one that we were looking at earlier, and then here we can change the basic information. What we're going to do is go into the dashboard for this particular business, and you'll see here is where we can set up the various tabs we were looking at earlier, and we can also modify the pages within each of the tabs. What you're looking at here is the visual editor, and it's like an online word processor. There's other things that we can put in the tabs. We don't have to go with what's the defaults are. So you can see here we've got different examples of what we can put in there. The next tab over is the pictures we were looking at earlier. Okay, so what we can do here is I can add and edit pictures, a very simple interface for uploading pictures, resizing them, and moving them around. And here's our appointment scheduling system. Here we can put either specific dates or a range of dates. And we can add different definitions. A free consultation is one of the definitions of things that could be booked. And we put in a range of times, also increments in minutes. And then we can also view the appointments. And we also have the ability to turn off specific time slots. Like for example, if I'm going to eat lunch during these time slots, I don't want to take any appointments during those times. Moving right along, we'll look at coupons. There's 3 coupons in the system. We'll go ahead and add a fourth 40% off coupon. And it's real easy to do. You just type in the information. You could also add a picture and an overlay. An overlay is basically something that stands out and shows what the savings are. Like in this case, 40% off. Multiple pictures you can search, either upload your own or from the stock library. This shows us the redemption. So these are all the people that have redeemed the coupons. In essence, what we're trying to do is capture leads. So the raffle is we set up different prizes we give away and different activities that award a certain number of tickets based on the activity. And then also we're capturing the leads as is shown here. Going back here, we're going to look at how we can change these tabs. Like for example, instead of portfolio, maybe we want it to say photos, and perhaps we want to change the icon. So I'm going to go in here and change it to this globe here. So we have full customization of the various tabs. We can also turn some of the tabs off. Like let's say the raffle is finished, we can turn it off if we don't want people to see it anymore. Also, we can, for the chamber site, we can add QR codes for all your marketing materials. This way members and visitors can instantly scan and access your site from a QR code. And there's additional revenue opportunities. Members can purchase purchase their own mobile web app that has all the capabilities that we're providing to the chamber. And the chamber receives a 10% commission on any of those sales as well. So how do we get started here? There's basically 2 plans. There's a platinum plan, which involves $85 per month. You start earning commissions immediately. And the free plan, which doesn't cost anything, you start earning commissions after the first 10 members sign up or upgrade for the DIVMO dashboard. So this pretty much can fit into anybody's budget. And we like to give both options for the chambers so you can get started. Chambers announce, here's how we do it. Chamber would announce the DIVMO and free directory listings to members, and then DIVMO provides collateral and videos detailing the service. The interested members sign up online and are billed directly, and then the chamber receives timely sales reports, and then we pay out the commissions monthly. So it's a real straightforward program. For more information, you can dial 855-55-DIVMO, or you can email us at sales@divmo.com. Thank you.